You know what, guys? It's pretty juicy too, so I think it's actually gonna be pretty good. You can see the red 40. Look at this. My goodness, you can see the red 40 leaching onto the chicken. This is wonderful stuff right here. Air fryer has a little bit of seasoning left over in there, but that should be no problem for the Skittles chicken. Get on in there, fella. It's been in for 12 minutes. I think it's officially done. And as you guys can obviously see, it's a perfect cook. You know what, guys? It's pretty juicy too, so I think it's actually gonna be pretty good. It doesn't taste like this anymore. It's lost the sweetness, and it's almost bitter now. And it tastes like chicken, which makes it even worse if I'm being honest. I'm gonna give that a 1.4.